Raised garden beds are super popular right now. They look fantastic, are easy to maintain, and particularly great if you've got limited space to work with. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own. The first step is to find a space that gets enough sunlight, ideally with a northeast orientation. I found this great raised garden bed at Mitre 10. These come flat packed and are super easy to assemble. So it's really worth investing in top quality soil at this stage. The better the soil, the better your eventual harvest. And don't forget to compost. Now it's time to plant. Things like leafy greens, tomatoes and herbs are a great place to start. Then in no time, you'll be saving money with your own veggies. Let me tell you, nothing tastes better than veg you've grown yourself. So head into your local Mitre 10 to get started.